Hey everyone, welcome to today's Slab Spotlight. We have here Parota wood, or is known as Guanacaste. We source directly from Costa Rica. Parota wood is a fast-growing species that can reach enormous heights of 100 foot and up to 8 foot in diameter on the base in a relatively short amount of time. This is an ideal tree for reforestation and sourcing long, wide wood slabs in an environmentally responsible way. In fact, Parota is not on any international protected species list. Parota is particularly desired for its bold and striking wood grain, which resembles Acacia and Koa wood in appearance, but with more texture and consistent coloring. This is a similar species to monkey pod, but as Parota wood's faster growing, it's less dense and more comparable to mahogany and redwood. Parota has a moderately natural luster, which we highlight with oils. This is probably our most popular exotic species we have in stock, and we have sizes ranging from 6 foot long up to 20 foot long, and in diameters from 12 inches up to 72 inches wide. If you're interested in any of these pieces, head over to our website to view our inventory, and if either of these two in particular slabs we have, you can see the SKU number here to search online, and you can also come down anytime to our showroom in Louisville, Nebraska.